It's Ryan from Tint. Wanted to do kind of a little bit of a detailed video on the services and products that we offer. This customer has come to us for years and loves the products we carry and loves the workmanship that we do. This particular vehicle, he has essentially had us do everything that we offer. We've wrapped every painted surface all the way around the vehicle with XPEL Ultimate with a 10-year warranty. It's 8 mils thick. It's going to be like this essentially for the extended period of time of at least 10 years. The film is wrapped on all edges that can be. Some shops will surprise you and charge you extra to wrap these edges. That's the only way we do it. We've done all the headlights, anti-fog lights, the full bumper, doors, roof, rear doors, rear quarter panel, rear hatchback. And then after we did all of that, we used XPEL Fusion ceramic coating. They make it in 2 versions. They make it in a 4-year version and they make it in an 8-year version. We use the 8-year version on this. So it has amazing hydrophobic qualities. So water just almost will fall off this car. So you're not going to end up with water spots like you do on normal paint. Bird droppings, anything like that, it's going to be way easier to remove. The other thing we did on this as well, which is a newer product, it's called windshield skin. It's across the windshield here on the outside. So on the outside of this, it's basically very similar to a paint protection film, but for glass. And so that's going to prevent this glass from getting rock chips, pits, cracks, and stuff like that. But also, windshields have gotten very expensive to replace with all the new tech and everything that's in them, with the radar and all that. Like the average windshield these days, it used to be like $400 for a windshield, but now it's like $1,000 to $1,500 to have your windshield replaced on these modern cars. So using a product like this works really well to prevent any kind of damage to the glass. And then also, aside from doing the paint, the ceramic coating, the windshield protection film, they had us use XPEL XR Plus. That's going to be your highest performing nano ceramic film. Not only does it block out 99% of UV light, it blocks out 97% of infrared light. So that's essentially like 97% of what you feel when you're standing in the sun. It's a really amazing product. It's available in a full line of shades. They make it in an 80%. That's what's on this windshield. And then this has the legal limit on the front doors at 35%. And then the back half has 20% over the factory tint. So this thing's dialed in. I mean, it will look like this for at least 10 years. One other thing about the paint protection film, it has a self-healing top coat. Especially on black vehicles or darker colored vehicles, over time you'll start to see fine swirls in the paint from just normal maintenance, washing, just scuffing it barely. This film, if it gets above 85 degrees, it self-levels and bonds back together and all of those scratches go away. It's quite impressive. We've used it for about 8 years now and I truly believe in the product. If you were to do the full front clip, that's what most customers do. That's a day process, including window tint or anything like that. This one, we did all of these things on it and it's a 4-day deal. So you kind of have to expect a little more time. And then after that, you can just drive your car every day and not worry about anything. Know it's going to last and be pristine. If you're interested in having anything done, check out our 2 stores. We have one in Salt Lake and one in Sandy. And if you want to get some more information or look up things, go to our website. That's protintutah.com. Thanks for watching.